Hello everybody, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 13, sprite movement. So in this one, we're going to be moving to the left. If adding to a sprite's x coordinate makes it move to the right, how could you make it move to the left? Well, we already talked about that. If this is 400 and this is 0, are we adding or subtracting? So do this. Make your program animate like the image to the right with the fly coming to the left. Use the counter pattern to make the sprite move to the left. Use the fly.x with the counter pattern inside the draw loop so that in each frame the fly is drawn a little bit further to the left. You can make your sprites move faster by adding or subtracting larger numbers. The fly in our example moves about twice as fast as the plane in the last level. Well, the plane was moving at 3, so I guess we're going to do 6 for this. So x, all right, so we've got fly, and then we have fly minus 6. Ooh, did I do that right? We're about to find out. Run, run. Nope. All right, what did I do wrong? I think that this is supposed to be fly.x minus 3. Run. Hey! All right. We did it. And we did it at a So 3 was what we had last time. This time it's supposed to be 6. Reset. Run. Oh, there it goes. All right, good. So we're done with level 3. We're done with level 3. We got everything we need. We're going to click on finish. I will see you on level 4. Here we go.